There were two attacks, both in the busy center of N'Djamena, Chad's capital. Authorities are blaming the Islamist group Boko Haram. The attacks, one of which was a suicide bombing, killed at least 27 people, including 4 suspected Boko Haram fighters. 100 other people were injured. One of the attacks targeted a police station.
We heard a big noise and immediately dust came in through the windows. The 3 of us left the office and came back in to see all the dust coming in the windows, and we saw bodies and injured people on the ground.
Chad is a major Western ally and is spearheading missions against al-Qaeda-linked groups in Mali and against Boko Haram in Nigeria. Despite threats of retaliation by Boko Haram, N'Djamena had escaped attack until now.